26 hours of paint correction was performed to improve the shine quality, remove heavy swirl marks, marring, and scratches from this 2000 Jaguar XK8. Looking at this Jaguar, you can clearly see it's been neglected due to not properly maintaining this luxury vehicle. Most people don't understand. If you're going to use wax as a means to protect your car, then your car should be waxed 4 to 6 times a year and a clay bar treatment once a year to remove damaging contaminants out of the clear coat to prolong the life of your car's paint. Let's take a closer look at the paint on this 2000 Jaguar XK8. Wow! Look at these horrible swirl marks and marring. This damage happens in the washing or drying process, usually at one of those low-end car wash centers, with those heavy conveyor brushes or using the wrong kind of wash mitts and drying towels. The marring occurs due to using cheap car wash soap or wax. You think going to the local car wash is cheaper, but you'll pay for it over time when your car's paint looks like this. This 2000 Jaguar XK8 is going to require some compounding and polishing to restore it to a beautiful swirl-free shine. However, restoring cars back to a better than showroom shine is what we do best at DoubleTake Auto Spa of Fremont. Let's check out the results. Wow! This car looks better than when it was new back in 2000. Look at the clarity of the paint. Simply beautiful. This is how a Jaguar is supposed to look. When our customers ask for flawless, we give them flawless. That's why we have so many great customer reviews on Google. Look, all those ugly swirl marks are gone. The horrible marring is gone too. Nothing but an amazing swirl-free, radiant, jaw-dropping shine for our customer to enjoy. Give us a call to see why so many customers travel over 100 miles just to get their car pampered by DoubleTake Auto Spa of Fremont. You'll be glad you did.